Sexual reproduction. Objective: to learn the traits and methods of sexual reproduction. Reproduction is a characteristic of all living organisms and is necessary for the continuation of life. Reproduction can be of two types, either asexual or sexual. In this session, we will focus only on the sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is common among higher organisms and involves male and female sex cells known as gametes. The most common example of sexual reproduction is found in flowering plants. The male reproductive part is the stamen, which produces male gametes called pollen inside the anther. The female reproductive part is the ovary, with the female gametes, which are called ovules. In flowering plants, the male pollen and female ovule will unite to produce a zygote, which will eventually form the seed that will develop into a plant. The gametes are produced through meiosis. During meiosis, chromosomes will fuse and separate, during which time genetic changes will occur. After the meiosis, the new gametes will have half the number of chromosomes and different genetic characteristics than their parents. When such gametes fuse, the zygote will have a different genetic arrangement, producing offspring that will be a little bit different from the parents. Summary: sexual reproduction is a process involving male and female organisms. Sexual reproduction includes the formation of gametes that fuse into a zygote. The offspring produced by sexual reproduction will have genetic variations.